We are in a celebratory mood this week, as our factory outside Charleston, South Carolina, has now started building our new electric flagship SUV, and the first customer deliveries are scheduled for the second half of this year. The EX90 not only expands our portfolio of fully electric cars, but also represents a paradigm shift for the company, as it is the first Volvo car powered by core computing technology, a technology that enables a new era of safety for our cars. The first customer-bound EX90 that rolled off the Charleston line was a striking model painted in denim blue, destined for a customer in the United States later this year. The fully electric Volvo EX90 is the start of a new era for Volvo cars, a new era for safety, sustainability, and human-centric technology, says Jim Rowan, our chief executive. The EX90 is proudly manufactured in the USA and reflects our long-term commitment to our people in South Carolina and the broader US market. Volvo Cars' first manufacturing plant in the United States opened in the summer of 2018 just outside Charleston, one of the oldest and most storied cities in the country. Today, the Charleston plant produces the EX90 and the S60 Saloon, and it has the capacity to build up to 150,000 cars per year. In recent years, we have made extensive investments in the facility. The body shop and paint shop have been renewed and expanded significantly, while the plant now also has a state-of-the-art battery pack production line. With these investments, our U.S. production facility is well prepared for this new era in its still young history and reflects our long-term commitment to South Carolina and the United States, where Volvo Cars has operated for almost 70 years through a robust network of 281 dealerships across 47 states. The EX90 is based on our next generation, born electric EV technology base, with a fully electric range of up to 600 kilometers. The EX90 is designed to be the safest Volvo car to date, powered by next-generation passive and active safety technology and software informed by a broad suite of sensors. Rooted in our Scandinavian design principles, the EX90 offers modern proportions that optimize safety, efficiency, and aesthetics. Thanks to its true 7-seater configuration, it is a perfect companion for the entire family, full of space, versatility, and comfort. The EX90 comes with a powerful core system, is always connected, and can be improved over time through software updates. These updates are delivered by our software engineers, enabled by AI, and informed by real-time data collection. The EX90 is a testament to our global engineering capabilities and reaffirms our position as a leader in the ongoing technology shift in the car industry. Range according to the realistic driving cycle under controlled conditions for a new car. Real-world range may vary. Figures are based on preliminary target